we'll add a new menu item for 2 templates, one for an agenda and another for today's date. Okay, so we have a Google Doc ready to go. What you're going to do is go to Tools, Script Editor, delete that text there, and then go to the GitHub repo, hit Copy Raw Contents, and then you're going to paste it here. Under Topics, these are a list of topics that I added, but you can go ahead and add your own. All you do is add a new one, hit comma, and then in quotations, add the next topic you'd like to talk about. And click Save, Run. Script's going to run through this. Hit Review Permissions, then it's going to say Execution Started, Execution Completed. Now go back to your Project Sync meeting notes, and you'll notice that there's a new menu item called Templates here. Here you can insert words, just like that, or let's just say you want the date. Go ahead and insert date.